Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Brandon's Garage, and I'm doing a very quick product review on the Ryobi 1 Plus HP. It's the 18 volt, it's brushless, and I've got a little project, there's some wood that I do need to cut around where my key fits in to turn on my fireplace. So that's what I'm going to be using this for. Now I got the tool only because I do have a 18 volt battery. So that's the first thing I want to make sure of, that's going to work. And then basically I'm going to show you what's in the box. I'm going to show you my little project that I'm doing, and I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for you to pick one up if you are needing a compact size saw. Now there's another one that's a little bit less expensive. I went with this one that's a little bit more expensive because I just feel that with Ryobi, when you spend the extra money, you usually do get the value for it. So I'm gonna take it out of the box, we'll do the project, and hopefully this ends up helping you out. If this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. All right, so you can see what I was able to do there. My small project there, but that was kind of a tight corner. And so I guess that is the advantage of using something this size. Is a very, you know, compared to the larger but less expensive version of this. This is brushless. I don't believe the other one is. And this one's a little bit more compact. So basically when you are using it, when you need to get in a tight space, you know, you've got your LED light there, and you've got a compact one-handed saw that can really get the job done. So I'm really happy with this saw. I'm happy that it did work with my 18-volt battery. This was a smaller battery that I have, but it does work with it. So for smaller projects around the house, now if you need it for work, you probably need the larger battery. And the link that I'm going to be putting down in the description will include you know, where you can find the larger batteries. They go really high up to where you can use them for a good amount of hours. This is one of the smaller ones, but of course it will cost you some money. However, when you're buying Ryobi, when you buy one battery, as you can see here, this is I bought for a drill. It does work on other One Plus tools, which I really like about Ryobi. You don't have to keep buying you know, different batteries. The same thing with my lawnmower and my leaf blower. I really didn't have to buy the battery for my leaf blower because that battery that is for the lawnmower actually works on my leaf blower. So Ryobi is doing something right, and I'm very happy with this. I have a larger project that I'm actually going to do really quick. But as you can see there, I just took on a pretty large task. That was my old countertop here in my home. And you know, it's been sitting in my garage because I haven't had a saw to be able to cut it. And you can see that actually the blade on here, the 6-inch blade, is not that bad a condition. I mean, I would like to buy a new one, but this one doesn't look torn up or anything. This one actually looks pretty good condition. And you can see there that just with one battery, what I was able to accomplish, you know, my small project and then somewhat of a larger project. It depends, you may have something that is much larger. And like I said, you might need a bigger battery, but with this battery size, you've got the power, of course. It's gonna be the same power with, I believe, any battery. And you can take on a larger project like that. And if you have some more experience than me, of course, you'll be able to do pretty good with it. But overall, I'm very happy with it. I have nothing to compare it to. This is my first saw. And so, as I said, I just want to kind of show this as a review if you're thinking about buying this. If you needed a saw in general. And of course, just showing you a few projects that you're able to do with this, a smaller one and a larger one. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget there's a link in the description below for this tool. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.